guys, Steve here, RC. Got the SCX6 here. I'm gonna unbox it. The mighty king of all crawlers. I've seen so many guys with this and I've been drooling over it. A good friend of mine treated me with this beauty. So let's open it up and take a look. This is big. I have to get it up on there. Hope you guys can see it. This is the monster. A monster beauty that everybody dreams of owning. And I don't believe it. It's here. It's really here. Oh man. Maybe I should put it down. I'm gonna put it down first. I gotta get it out of here. Hang with me, guys. I know this ain't the best unboxing, but the best I could do with this room here. Pulled my neck out again. It's been bad for like a month with it. There she is. Whew. I don't even know what color it is. But let's open her up. I don't know how this opens. Oh my God, this is so awesome. This side has the radio in it. Oh my God, this ain't like a 1/10 scale. Probably doing it all wrong. Oh my God, this thing's a monster. Come on, baby. Oh my God, like everyone else said, I'm just glimpsing down in here. You don't realize how big this thing is when you're watching the videos till you see it in person. Alright, the radio's in here. I'm just gonna fall. Yeah. Alright. Oh! Holy smokes! Jesus! I don't know if there's anything else in there, but I'm getting rid of it. Holy smoky mokey, guys. Check this out. What did I drop? Oh, the instructions and stuff. Check that out. That's a big beauty. Oh man, she's a beauty. Oh my. I'm in love. Holy smokes. Here's a big 1/10 scale tire. Check that out. That's amazing. Ugh. We can get a close-up of it. Whew. That is sweet, sweet, sweet. It's just like my brother's 110 scale exactly, but holy God, there it is. Check that out. Let's show it next to my Gen 8 here. There's my Gen 8. That's how much bigger this thing is. Oh God, that thing's awesome. Let's see what else is in here. Oh. Give you a manual, the batteries for the radio, that's awesome, and a sticker sheet. Let me show you the radio. Nice, with a nice steer like the SCX6 that my brother has got. That's a good radio. Alright, we're going to show you the SCX6 next to it. It's exactly the same, guys, but she's small. Holy God, is she small. Check that out. This is a nice rig here, and it's exactly the same. Put this aside. Man, how does it open? Does it open the same? Yep. Let's open it up. Ugh. Yep, same exact the body clips. It's a little easier to get at these ones because of the size than the 1/10 scale version. I opened up my mouth too soon. I really should put this down the other way. This thing's gonna look sweet going in the mountain, I'll tell you. People are gonna see this and be like, oh my God. Woo! Look at the beauty of a motor in that thing. Woo! I can tell I'm happy. Check it out. It's really 100% the same as the 1/10 scale. That's cool. Put this down. That's the biggest, baddest brushless motor I ever seen. That is sick. The motor's the same in the front as the 10 scale. It basically looks exactly the same as the 10 scale. I'm surprised. Does it feel? Oh yeah. It feels the same. Squishy squishy. Nice and smooth. Look at the links on it. So this looks exactly the same as the SCX6 but no portal axles. This has the straight axles. Because it's so big, that's why I guess they made it like that, because there's a lot of weight on there. They don't want to put the extra gears. It'll probably be not as strong, definitely not as strong as a solid axle. Whew, I'm winded. I just got back from testing a servo up in the mountain that someone sent to me. I got to do that video, or I'll probably already have that out. But anyhow, that's it, guys. Next time you see this beauty, it'll be out on the road. And I want to give a big special thanks out to my friend who sent this. You know who you are. Beauty to you. Thank you. This is an awesome piece for my collection. I'll cherish it forever. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. I appreciate it as always. Hit that bell for future videos so you don't miss them. Leave me a comment and a like. It helps the channel out. And if you're new watching, subscribe so you get to see this beauty in action. Well, guys, you know me. I'll be taking this sucker up in the mountain, and you know how that place is. So stay tuned for a video. Thank you, guys. Shen RC out.